What's going on, guys? Victor here. I want to go over my plays of the week. Um, I started off my Monday with this swing trade, 8 p.m. What caught my attention was like these like double bottoms. Um, Once this 110 level was holding, um, I put a starter probably like a week ago, or 2 weeks ago, and then once it started getting volume, this Monday, I put a little bit more size here, like in the 126s. And pretty much I wrote it as much as I could. It was above VWAB, it was uptrending, and it was holding support levels. But every time that it would pop, it would kind of make me uncomfortable, like the way the bids would fall out, and I thought it was gonna dump on me. So I did this once, I did this twice, and then on this time I got like a little uneasy, so I took it all off like in the 160s. And sure enough, the next day it tanks and sells off. So I started off my Monday with that trade. Um, I traded SPGC. I already traded this multiple times. This month, um, the Tuesday is when I got my attention though. Um, I was looking at this 40 level broke through. Tuesday broke through, and it kind of reclaimed it after hours. So I put a starter on right here into the close, and then Wednesday volume comes in, starts moving pre-market, and I take it off at pretty much at the open here at 4 a.m. Sold it 55, got back in like on a dip here like 47s, and I was trying to ride it as long as I could. And what I was targeting this area 55 to 60, and sure enough, I get the volume comes in into VWAP stuffs. I sold before it, and that's it. And it continued to go higher. I didn't think it was gonna go that high, but I probably wouldn't have held that. I would have probably sold it here into the 70s if I had any. And I played this one more time. Um, this area of support, as you can see, when it dipped down, I think I wanted like 5,000 shares or 7,500. One of those two. I only filled like 500 shares, so maybe like a tenth of my position. I took it off right away because I mean, what am I gonna do with 500 shares? Um, and sure enough, it does this big parabolic move. And then on Friday, I traded what was it? BBI? No, so I actually traded this Wednesday going into Thursday. Um, I was looking at BBAI, and I was just noticing how like the bits were stacking, and I thought I could get like I thought I could get like a good entry here, like in the 960s, risking this like low, maybe 12 cents, maybe 10 cents. I think I uh, I think I bought 500 shares, and I held overnight. Market opens, pre-market. I don't sell anything because I'm thinking it's gonna go into like a big move. It was all-time highs over 970, so I'm thinking like it's gonna go maybe like $2, $3 higher. So I set a stop, pretty much break even. Um, Ended up getting stopped out. Ended up getting stopped out, break even. Once we get a new low, 930s, I'm thinking like, okay, cool, this is the bottom. I get back in 950s, with the stop at the break of low, and it tanks on me, gets stopped out, and kind of does bounce. So just bad timing. And then Friday, I traded FFIE, start my day. So I got interested with this stock Thursday. I like how it's moving. I like how it's grinding up. So Friday, I had a plan where I was going. Initially, I was gonna short, but if it dipped down into the levels that I wanted, I'd be buying. So pre-market, I'm looking at this high day from yesterday, 180s to like 175. So I'm looking at level two. I see like 181s, 182s, and I go long 1,000 shares, and I sell into this little push here, like in the 194s. Um, quick little scalp, 10 cents, and then I start looking to flip short into this area that's 210. So I had orders out to go short. So I shorted some here at 197. I shorted some at 202s, and then I had another order at 210. It actually hit 210. I just didn't get the fill. And then on this push back up, it hit 209, and I didn't change my orders. Market opens, and I just take it all off. It's Friday. I'm trying to um, call it a day early. I take some off here in the 184s, and I'm actually long overnight. I thought it was overextended to the downside, so I longed a little bit here, like 1,200 shares. So I'm a little underwater right now, like 10 cents. I'm probably down like 110, 120. But see if this pops back up 170 or 180, and then I'll just take it off break even. And I traded hymns also. So with this one, I was looking at like a first red day. It's been up multiple days, and all time high is 65. So what I did is I'm just looking at the intraday chart, and I'm just looking at this. I saw this late, so once I made this top at 65, kind of got interested on when it pulled back, came back again, 64. I'm like, okay, cool. I'll just get, I'll get in on a lower high, and I got in short right here with the target in mind of some prior days. And say here 60s would have been cool, but I think I went short 500 shares, and I just pretty much lost my patience here, like in the 60, 85, 61 ish, and took like a good like $2 move, $250 move, and that's it. It did hit my target, but I mean I'm not really gonna be fighting over like an extra dollar. Like it's fine. I took most of the move here. So for the week, I am 4,900. I do have one loss of 162. Good risk reward setups. Um, yeah, I said I wasn't gonna short as much this month. I would only focus on longs, and it's showing. I'm not really good at shorting, um, so I'm gonna try to keep it like this for the rest of the month. See where I could still improve on. Um, I'll probably work on some shorts though, little small size, just to get better over time. But yeah, I had a fantastic week. Uh, Monday, I think we got President's Day, so markets closed. So I'm gonna be hitting my charts and trying to study as much as I can. And I'll see you guys on Tuesday.